What's up people, today I'm going to show you how you can add some text into your videos in Vegas Pro. Now this is a very simple and basic tutorial, but I thought maybe some beginners would be interested in knowing how they can quickly add some text into their videos in Vegas Pro. So to get started, firstly import your video onto the timeline and then click on Media Generators tab and click on Tiles and Texts. As you can see, there are a lot of different types of texts available for you, but I'll just stick with this basic one and drag and drop it on top of your video. Make sure you drag and drop it above your video and not below your video. And when you drag and drop it, this thing will pop up in front of you. And this thing works just like if you have ever used MS Word. You just select the text and type in anything you want. I'll type in welcome text. And you can select it, change its size by clicking here, and change its font by clicking here. Let me just increase the size. After that, we have some more features. You can change the color of the text by clicking here and choosing whichever color you like. Just make sure your text is easily readable. Alright, I'll just take the red color. And then we have some more features. So if you have ever used text in Photoshop, you may have known about stroke. So stroke is called outline here in Vegas Pro. So to use outline, you can increase the size of the outline and you can change the color by clicking here and choosing any color. I'll probably pick the blue color and I'll increase the size. Then if you have heard of drop shadow in Photoshop, this shadow is drop shadow. So just click on shadow, and to enable it, just click here, and here you can change the color of the shadow. After that, on the X offset, if you move it left and right, it moves the shadow left and right. And on the Y offset, if you move it left and right, the shadow moves up and down. Alright, after that we have blur. Now some people like to have the shadow as a sort of background to the text so that text is easily readable, while some people like to have a very detailed shadow, so they may not like the blur. So you can toggle the settings according to your needs, and it is really easy and really simple to use. And once you're done, you can just close this box and that's it. That's your text. After that, to make it more interesting, you can click here or take your cursor here, and when you see this icon which says fade in, just drag it in and then do the same on the other side. That will fade in and fade out the text, and this is what it looks like now. And as you can see, that is how simply we can add some text into the videos in Vegas Pro. Now I did this in Vegas Pro 16, but I'm sure this is how it works in last 5 and 6 versions. So that is how you add some text into your videos in Vegas Pro. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.